Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset OPPO A18 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. You can see this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Now slide down to power off. So you can see now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. Here you can see now select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Now select language. You can see it will send you in recovery mode. Now here go to format data, and here you can see please enter verification code 2678. Now enter it, 2678, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format data. You can see wiping, please wait. As you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after a hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset when it asks for password, use Google account instead to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A18 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.